Computers tend to slow down over time, causing frustration and reducing productivity. However, there are several effective ways to speed up your computer, whether you use a PC or a Mac. The first step in improving performance is to clean up your hard drive. Over time, files accumulate and clutter your system, causing it to run slower. Delete any unnecessary files, including temporary files, cache, and duplicate files. On a Mac, you can use the built-in storage management tool, while on a PC, software like Disk Cleanup can help. Another crucial step is to manage your startup programs. When too many applications run at startup, they can significantly slow down your computer. On a Mac, navigate to System Preferences Users Group's Login Items, then remove any unnecessary items. On a PC, use Task Manager to disable startup programs that you don't need immediately. Doing this will ensure that your computer boots up faster and runs more smoothly. Upgrading your hardware can also lead to significant performance improvements. Consider increasing your computer's RAM, as this allows your system to handle more tasks simultaneously. For many users, upgrading their hard drive to a solid-state drive (SSD) can provide a noticeable speed boost, as SSDs access and write data much faster than traditional hard drives. Both Macs and PCs can benefit from these hardware upgrades. Keeping your operating system and software up to date is essential for maintaining optimal performance. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can help your computer run more efficiently. Check for updates regularly and install them as needed. On a Mac, go to the App Store and click on the Updates tab to see available updates. On a PC, navigate to Settings Update Security to check for updates. Your computer's performance can also be affected by malware and viruses. Running an antivirus scan can help identify and remove any malicious software that may be slowing down your system. Both Mac and PC users should invest in reliable antivirus software or use free tools like Windows Defender on PCs. Regularly scanning your computer for malware will help keep it running at its best. Lastly, consider optimizing your computer's settings for better performance. On a Mac, go to System Preferences Energy Saver and adjust settings for better performance over energy saving. On a PC, head to Control Panel System and Security System Advanced System Settings, then adjust the settings under Performance. Simple tweaks, like adjusting the appearance and performance of Windows, can lead to a more responsive computer. By implementing these tips, you can breathe new life into your aging computer. Regular maintenance and occasional upgrades will help ensure your system remains fast and efficient, allowing you to focus on what matters most without the distraction of sluggish performance. Take the time to assess your computer's needs and make the necessary changes to enjoy a smoother, more productive computing experience.